Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a brand new beauty box from Lookfantastic and unfortunately it's sold out. It sold out really fast, which is surprising because Lookfantastic have released a load of new limited edition beauty boxes over the last week or two. But yeah, I had to get it because it's all Korean beauty products. Really excited when I saw this, and I know from chatting to some of you as well that you were dying to get your hands on this box as well. Yeah, unfortunately if you go on their website it just says coming soon, so it's very rare that Lookfantastic bring their boxes back, unfortunately. I will pop a link to it down below if you want to read more about it. Also down there I'll pop links to the other limited edition beauty boxes that are still available and all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. So this K Beauty Edit contains 10 products. It costs £45 and has a value, I believe, let me double check, yeah, of £145, and it's really heavy, and 7 of the 10 products are full size. Anytime a brand does a K beauty box, Boots, Lookfantastic, where else, Beauty Bay have done them as well, they sell out super fast. So yeah, oh, has Cult Beauty, I'm sure Cult Beauty has done Korean beauty boxes as well. We need more Korean beauty boxes, definitely. Oh, let's start off with a product that is currently on my face as I talk. And this is Beauty of Josian, and this is an SPF 50 Relief Sun Aqua-fresh Rice and B5 lotion. I love this one. It's super lightweight. It's a little lighter than their other Rice SPF and it feels nice on my skin as well. I do really like this. But yeah, I think this is more like my summer sort of SPF, whereas the other one maybe more for winter. Can't tell you anything else. There's no information leaflet in this box. No, it just says it's a lightweight and creamy type sunscreen that's comfortable on the skin. Yeah, really great SPF and affordable too. I believe it's like £13.50 or something like that, which is really good, isn't it? Right then, what else? Shall I go for something? Ooh, another brand I'm obsessed with, Erborian, and this is their night oil. This is skin therapy. It contains 17 super ingredients and it's, yeah, a multi-perfecting night oil. 10 mils here. I've not long been sent in a PR package from Erborian a Milky version of this. A Milky skin therapy, but I think instead of a night oil that is a serum. But, and I've got the eye cream as well. That's all I need is a skin therapy moisturiser. I don't even know if they do one. They might do. And then I'll have the whole lot. It says here, after your first night, your skin is smooth, intensely nourished and plump with moisture. Signs of fatigue appear reduced and complexion is fresh and radiant. It says stronger results day after day. Then I've got MIXSOON Bean Essence, pure ingredient oriental skincare brand. And there's 50 mils there. This essence is based on fermented natural extracts and has multiple functions: moisturising, mild exfoliation of sebum and dead skin cells, and enhancing skin texture. So after cleansing and toning, you apply it to your skin. So it's a mildly exfoliating, smoothing, exfoliating essence. No, it doesn't say how often you can use it. I'll have to have a look on the Lookfantastic website. But yeah, MIXSOON Bean Essence. Then we have got Birch Juice Cleanser, and this is by Around Lab. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. Washes away excess oil, dirt and skin waste, as you'd hope a cleanser would. So it's a foam cleanser. And there's 150 mils there. And it just says washes away excess oil, dirt and skin waste. I've got 2 gel cleansers in the shower at the moment. I'm going to put that one straight down there so that can be used next. Then we got Infree. This is Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. There's 20 mils here. So Super Volcanic Clay Mask. This would be really good for my younger son. I have got horrific pores. They're not clogged, I don't have blackheads or spots or anything like that. I'm on medication to control that. I've just got naturally very large pores all across the cheeks and my nose there, and on my chin as well, and around here in between my eyebrows. Clay masks are the superior masks for pore related conditions. Can't get rid of my large pores, but clay masks always leave my skin feeling amazing, looking amazing, and a lot smoother as well. So even though I haven't got congested skin, I would still definitely use it. But yeah, I think my son, who does have a load of blackheads at the moment, and is asking me for like sheet masks and things like that, I think that will really help him. So yeah, I love a clay mask. Oh, we got another one. This is Lanage, and this is a water sleeping mask to brighten, hydrate and soften. This overnight intense hydration mask contains a probiotic derived complex to help visibly improve skin clarity and texture while you sleep. I've only ever had little minis of this, and it is really nice. Thankfully, we do see it a lot in different beauty boxes, so I get to try a bit. Yeah, so you got an overnight mask for your face, and it comes with a little spoon in there as well. Here we got a sample of Beauty of Josian. This is a little one. This is 10 mils Revive Eye Serum, Ginseng and Retinal. I wonder if I've got the full-size version of this. It's a long one like that. I have got an eye serum from this brand, and if it is the same one, I really like it. It's nice and cooling, but because this is a sample, the packaging might look different. I'm not sure. Because I love this brand, this sort of size is really handy if I'm going away for the weekend or something like that. It's an eye serum. You only literally need just a dab. So even just 10 mils will last me a long while. So there's that. And then we've got a few masks then. This is by COSRX. Is that how you say it? I've seen this brand a few times in different beauty boxes. Haven't heard anyone say it out loud. COSRX. COSRX. It's got to be, isn't it? COSRX. It's an acne pimple master patch. Contains 25 patches, ADF hydrocolloid dressing, fast acting, acts as a protective cover and non-drying. Yeah, my daughter will be having those straight away. And then, oh, it's a nice one, Biodance. Biocollagen Real Deep Mask. It's a facial sheet mask, probiotics, galactomyces, ferment filtrate, low molecular hyaluronic acid solution, low molecular collagen, hydrating, pore minimizing and firming. It sounds great, doesn't it? Well, for me, what I like. There's a lot of sciencey stuff about this mask, but one which I like, it says it turns transparent as it is absorbed into the skin. It takes around 3 hours while it delivers beneficial ingredients. So there you go. That is a full box of the brand new, sold out, Lookfantastic K-Beauty Edit. I think it's fab. Really great product. 7 out of 10, a full size. What was it now? £145. It was worth, and I bought it for £40. Some really, really lovely products there. Products I know and love and use, and some nice new products for me to try as well. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you get one for yourself? Or are you absolutely gutted because you're watching this thinking, oh, I would have got it if I could? Or not? I'd love to hear anyway. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.